Multi-angle cutting. Full protection. Process innovation elevated. PB Series, fully enclosed beveling laser cutting machine. Hydraulic lifting bed. The hydraulic lifting structure enables smooth and precise height adjustment, ensuring stable support for heavy sheets and easier material handling. Focus on thick plate bevel processing. Efficiently achieve plus or minus 45 degrees bevel cutting, forming them in one processing, effectively reducing processing steps and improving efficiency. Fully enclosed safety protection.